All right, Jackson, the outsider here, putting it on some of the Iowa guys, man. I like everything I saw today. I think when we see the Georgia on the back, you know, the depth's a lot different in Georgia compared to the Midwest states, right? You're a sleeper. You think these guys maybe take you a little lightly here?
Maybe just because I'm a sophomore. I haven't really done anything very big yet, and I'm from Georgia. These are studs from Iowa.
When you look at, you know, obviously Coach Fretwell, Yates, both Georgia guys.
Right.
Obviously, those guys drew you to this, drew you to the combine.
Definitely.
What's the travel? What was the travel like for you?
We flew. I flew with Fretwell and Yates.
So you came with them.
Yeah.
Looking at it, has it been worth it so far?
Yeah, definitely.
Are you opposed to being, you know, like, well, first off, what's your favorite part of it so far?
I really like the coaches are showing incredible technique. Like it's something, and it's different from all the coaches I've seen before because I've never had these guys. It's good to get different views on each technique.
I look at, you know, Reinhardt just added wrestling. That's that's north of you, not too far.
Right.
You look at that, you know, you've got Chattanooga, not too far down the road, but they're adding wrestling at the D2, D3 level. Shorter has it, Life has it. So you've had some schools add it in Georgia, but as far as choices for D1, you guys don't have a choice for D1 in Georgia. Chattanooga's your closest thing.
Right.
Then like Citadel, and then the North Carolina schools. What are you looking at when you're looking for colleges?
I'm looking education first for the most part, and then if I can get in wrestling. I want to go to wherever I could get the best education. So
it's all about education for you.
Yeah.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
Probably physical therapist.
So I know that Life is really good when it comes to that.
Yeah.
You're open.
Yeah.
You're open. A lot of these guys are D1. They're D1.
Yeah.
It's D1 or bust. Do you like that at all?
A little bit, yeah.
What changes it for you? Or is there a certain coach who could change your mind for something like that?
Bedard, maybe, because he used to coach at the Compound, so I know him very well.
And Ryan, he's Reinhardt.
Right.
Yeah. So, and it's close.
Right.
In coming up here and traveling, you guys you got to travel to go get the best competition. Does that bug you at all?
A little bit, just because there's not much in Georgia, but even in Georgia, I have to travel all around the state to get good kids from Georgia.
You were at the C3 at the compound.
Yes.
Compare that to this.
The level of the kids is completely different. The coaches, it's a lot more intense up here than it was down there.
Little apples to oranges, you'd say? It's just different. It's apples to oranges.
Yeah.
It's just different.
Yes.
All right. What have you guys been doing? Are you staying in the hotel?
I'm staying here.
So you're staying here?
Yeah.
What's that like?
It's cool. I mean, last night practice ended late. I just went to bed.
Went to bed?
Yeah, but the facilities here are incredible.
I like it.
Yeah.
It's not bad.
Definitely.
All right. When do you guys fly back? Sunday or Monday?
Monday morning.
Monday morning.
Yeah.
Took a day off school, huh?
Yeah.
All right. You got anything else for me?
I don't think so.
All right. Hey, thanks for the time. Keep scrapping hard.
All right.